protocols duly observed. Sir, I bring Your Excellency greetings from the leadership of Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, and entire workers of River State, both public and private sector of the state economy. Once again, Your Excellency, sir, we seize the opportunity to congratulate you on your election and subsequent inauguration as the Executive Governor of River State. We are proud to declare to the world that one of our own, who is a technocrat, an astute professional, who through sheer depth of hard work grew through the ranks in the state civil service to attain the peak of his career as a permanent secretary before venturing into partisan politics, is indeed eminently qualified to steer the affairs of River State. Your Excellency, sir, we are not unmindful of your tight and busy schedules, including other competing demands of the state that requires your attention. Thus, we do not in any way take for granted this singular audience you've availed to us, and we sincerely appreciate you, sir. The essence of our visit is to familiarize with Your Excellency and to also discuss issues of common interest that will engender smooth industrial relations and foster sustained industrial harmony towards the realization of planned government policies and programs. Your Excellency, sir, while we will not begin to unveil the catalog of workers' demands for your attention, is because we are of the firm belief that you are already conversant of the state public service workers' challenges and concerns, having been part of labor government engagements in the time past. A refined technocrat with a difference, and above all, as part of your first official function as the Deputy Governor of River State, your unscheduled visit to the State Civil Service Secretariat was a pointer to the fact that you are prepared and well equipped to not only reposition the State Civil Service, but to ensure its transformation for an enhanced service delivery and high productivity.
Let me say that it is really important for Labour to have a good relationship with not just its present government, but any government in power is important. Labour cannot work in isolation. That's the truth. It's important for the leadership of NLC now to work with the government. You were a state. I think it's one of the states that have implemented the new salary structure. You're part of the agreement. Some of you here, is it not? So we are one of the states that are in full practice of the new salary scale. We have not ended that. We also took up the issue of pension and gratuity. It's ongoing. We're paying, and you know that we're doing that. The records are there for you to check. On the issue of employment, you're also aware that is a process that is ongoing. Our own part of the bargain to take care of the welfare of our workers, we're doing it, and we're doing it well. Instead, the Secretariat, we're doing a little job there. We're starting with provision of water. We have made provision for the security aspects of the Secretariat. We're already working on the aspect. We're working on the aspect of the lifts. As we're talking now, we're already in negotiation with the operators of the lifts to make sure that all the lifts are working. We have also gone further to make arrangements to restore full power, not depending solely on PAC. So we are coming from somewhere, and I know that by the time we get to a destination, everybody around there will be happy. Across the states, we'll also try our best to ensure that the working environment, not just for our own civil servant, but every other person, both the private sectors, will do the needful. And what is the needful? We ensure that we provide the adequate security. the enabling environment for you to operate without any issue. Anything we need to do to make your discharging your duty as a worker easy, we're doing that. We're already we're working with the Minister of Transport to introduce some buses. We have some buses that can help in reducing the cost of your fare, your transport fare.